Unlocking the Secrets of Translation Quality. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone learning a new language or working with languages: translation quality. Understanding this concept is crucial, whether you're a language learner, a translator, or just someone interested in the nuances of languages. So, let's explore what makes a translation not just good, but great, and how you can evaluate it yourself. At its core, translation quality refers to how effectively a translated text conveys the meaning, style, and nuances of the original text. It's not just about swapping words from one language to another. It's about capturing the essence of the original message and delivering it in a way that feels natural and accurate in the target language. A high-quality translation should be accurate. It must convey the original message without adding, omitting, or distorting information. Cohesive. It should flow as smoothly as the original, maintaining the author's style and tone. Culturally sensitive. It must respect and adapt cultural references, humor, idioms, and other nuances that might not have direct equivalents in the target language. Accuracy and faithfulness. Accuracy is the bedrock of translation quality. A translator must understand the subject matter deeply and choose words that reflect the original text's meaning as closely as possible. Faithfulness to the original text is crucial, but so is the ability to adapt where necessary for clarity and cultural relevance. Language proficiency. High-quality translation requires an excellent command of both the source and target languages. This includes grammar, vocabulary, and idiomatic expressions. A translator's language proficiency ensures that the translation reads naturally to native speakers. Cultural competence. Understanding cultural nuances and sensitivities is vital. A quality translation will bridge cultural gaps, making the content accessible and relatable to the target audience. This might involve adapting idioms, humor, and references in a way that maintains their impact. Technical expertise. For translations in specialized fields, such as legal, medical, or technical domains, the translator's expertise in the subject matter is as important as their linguistic skills. This ensures that the translation accurately reflects the specialized terminology and concepts of the original text. In wrapping up, translation quality is a multifaceted concept that goes beyond mere word-for-word translation. It involves a deep understanding of both the source and target languages, cultural nuances, and, when necessary, the specific jargon of the subject matter. We hope this video has shed some light on what makes a translation truly stand out in terms of quality. Whether you're learning a new language, dabbling in translation, or simply curious about the process, keep these principles in mind to appreciate the art and science of translation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.